Brian Brandberg from Barletta Boat Company. I'm here to show you our C22QC. QC stands for 4 couches, quad couches with the co-captain's chair. This is a 22-foot boat. Just want to show you some of the features of this layout real quick. Again, the 4 couches. So at the very front of the boat, got the 4 couches, plenty of room for 2 to 3 people to sit here, or someone, a full adult to lay out. Armrest, new for model year 2021 on the C-Class, but plenty of room to lay out. Got great looks, great features. Got a USB port, speakers right here. So again, great front of the boat layout, pretty standard, but plenty of room, super soft. Again, one of Barletta's biggest selling features, sort of calling cards, is our furniture. We upgraded the furniture package this year for the C-Class, add the armrest I showed you, add a little bit of shape, some bolster. And the nicest thing I think is our foam package we increased, just made it very, very nice, very soft, very plush. So that's the front of the boat as we work our way back. The helm, the co-captain's chairs. We upgraded the co-captain's chairs. As I told you, the foam package got increased a little bit, so just a little bit softer, a little bit firmer, so you don't bottom out or anything like that. The other thing we did, changed the logo, added some piping, added some colors, so just super nice on the co-captain's and captain's chairs. The helm, one of Barletta's features at every price point, is legroom. And even on the C-Class, we show you the legroom. I'm 5'8", got plenty of room to put my feet out there, spread out, stretch out. So if you're a taller guy or girl, you can still comfortable on the C-Class helm. Working our way back, remember this is a QC. The C stands for the co-captain's chairs. The Q stands for quad couches. Back here, couches again, very nice. You can lay out, watch a tuber, or if you're a sandbar on the beach, you can sit here, watch everybody off the back of the deck, watch the kids swimming, make sure everything's going back here. But if you're going across the water, pulling a tuber or skier, you can watch them. Or if you got more people, maybe you're going to dinner or something like that, have more people comfortably sitting along here, 2 to 3 people easily. Back at the back of the boat, one of the nicest features that is another Barletta signature is the extended aft deck. You can see plenty of room back here. I always like to tell people this is the main area. This is where everyone plays. This is where everyone hangs out when the boat is parked. Everyone swims, watch the kids, the grandkids floating on the rafts, all that kind of stuff. Great area, nice 4-rung stainless steel ladder, heavy duty ski tow bar on all models. So again, very nice feature. This is the Barletta C22QC.